Hello everyone, welcome back to rysonsspraybooth, and in this video I will be talking about 4 rules in autobody and painting that you will have to follow to get a great finish. So let's get the video started. Rule number 1. Never miss sanding. Yes, you have heard it right. You cannot miss sanding, guys. It is the most important part in autobody and painting. It is the most important part in body preparation. If you don't do sanding, your paint or primer will not get a good bonding with the surface and it will come out after a few days. So to avoid that, never miss sanding process. Moving on to rule number 2. And rule number 2 is use the right primers. Guys, there are many types of primers and each primer has its use. So you can't mix them up and use them just on faith. So for that, you should know which primer is used where. So that was rule number 2. Moving on to rule number 3. And rule number 3 is clear coats are always the best option. When you compare it with single stage paint system, I will always choose for base coat clear coat system because it is more durable, it lasts longer, and you can polish it as many times as you want and recover the gloss. So if you are given an option to choose from single stage paint system and base coat clear coat system, then always go for the base coat and clear coat system. It might look expensive at first, but your paint will last longer and it will increase the life of your vehicle. So that was rule number 3. Let's move on to rule number 4. And rule number 4 is do color sanding and buffing. Guys, I know there are many myths over this color sanding and buffing, but you will have to do a color sanding and buffing on your freshly done paint job to get a showroom like finish, like a mirror finish. When people look at this type of finish, their heads turn like this. I'm talking about that type of finish, and you can only acquire that by doing color sanding and buffing, because no matter how good you apply the clear coat, you will get a slight orange peel. And to get rid of this orange peel, this process of color sanding and buffing is created so that you can get a mirror like finish. So those were the 4 rules that you will have to follow to get a great finish. Now if you want to learn all these things, then I have made a course on that. And not only these 4 points, I have many points covered in that course. I've put a link of that course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. So if you are interested and if you are serious in learning this amazing skill set and you are not afraid of making your hands dirty, then go there and enroll yourself. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Rysonsspraybooth signing out until we meet again.